Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, iPhone 15 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To improve the battery life on the smartphone, firstly you need to unlock your device and open the control panel. To do it, swipe from up to down on the right top corner, from the right top corner of your screen, and disable Wi-Fi if you don't need it right now. Disable the Bluetooth until tomorrow if you don't need it right now. Disable AirDrop and of course personal hotspot. All of these, and of course mobile data if you don't need it right now. So you need to have enabled only mobile data or the Wi-Fi. Don't have the both networks enabled, because when the both networks are enabled, the both of them constantly searching for newbie networks to connect to. So if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, your mobile data is constantly searching for mobile data network to have stable connection. But this is very good, but this is consuming a lot of battery power. So disable it if you have not too big amount of percent of your battery and you need to have your smartphone charged for several hours. Okay, the next step you can do is to reduce the screen brightness, because screen on your device consuming a lot of battery power. Then open the settings, scroll down, find your display and brightness and click dark. So our device has the LED screen, and it means that in the black places you have just disabled display. So when you have LCD screen, it means that your screen is just normal liquid crystal screen, and on the screen is one big lamp that's shining every time. When you have black, when you have yellow color on your screen, it's shining every time, and just crystals are rotating on your in your screen, and in this way you have see different colors. But when you have LED screens, it means that your screen was created from thousands of micro LED lamps, and it means that lamp can't create the black color. As you can see, no lamp can create only red, green, yellow, and white colors, and of course blue. So in this way, of course, no one lamp can't create a black color, and if you have see black color on your screen, it means that in this place your screen is just disabled and don't consume a battery power right now. And of course, the last step you can do to improve battery life on your iPhone is to open the battery in settings and just enable the low power mode. Of course, I suggest you click on battery and health charging, and here click charging optimization and enable the optimized battery charging or 18% limit. I suggest you to enable this feature, because here you have lithium polymer battery, and it's unhealthy to charge this battery over the 80% full. So I suggest you to enable this feature. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.